In this video, we'll introduce you to a fantastic new Gazco eMotiv electric fire range. We'll cover everything from the ease of installation they offer to how to use and maintain your eMotiv fire. No doubt you'll have purchased your fire from a Gazco approved retailer who have provided their expert knowledge and guidance to help you choose one of these spectacular fires. A real benefit of these electric fires is in their ease of installation, which we'll explore in this video, along with everything you need to know to get started once installed. eMotiv fires benefit from a tapered firebox design, making it incredibly easy to slot into existing fireplace openings. The integrated frame is well suited for inset installations in a feature wall. Alternatively, the bottom panel easily detaches to cater for half-mounted installs. The two included suction cups make it easy to lift and remove the glass, aiding easy arrangement of the fuel bed, as well as future cleaning and maintenance. Arranging the fuel bed couldn't be simpler, with locator dots indicating the ideal placement of each log effect piece. eMotiv electric fires benefit from a programmable thermostatic eco remote control, as well as an app that can be found on the App Store or via Google Play. In this video, we'll cover the features of the remote control, and a step-by-step guide on the app and all its features can be found on our website. To get started using the eMotiv, first ensure the on-off switch on the fire is in the on position. A long beep will be heard, indicating that the fire's control panel and remote control can now be used. Pressing the power button on the remote will turn the fire on. It will alight in the last remembered setting. To adjust the flame effects, press the flame button followed by the two arrows to cycle through amber, amber with blue accent and blue flame colours. Press once more to turn off the flame effect. There are 5 brightness levels which can be adjusted using the plus and minus buttons. To adjust the fuel bed lighting, press the fuel bed button, then use the arrows to cycle through the 8 colours as well as the spectrum mode, which will gradually loop through all the colours as before. Press once more to turn off the fuel bed lighting. You can use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the brightness of the fuel bed. For the heating setting, press the heating button to cycle between low, high, off and auto. You can use the plus or minus buttons to adjust your desired room temperature. If you want to set the eMotiv to run for a certain amount of time before returning to standby, you can press the timer button to cycle through the timer options, which you will see displayed on the remote control screen. To turn off the appliance entirely, simply press the power button. To change the temperature display between Fahrenheit and Celsius, simply hold down one of the arrow buttons for 3 seconds, followed by the power button to save your preference. Before carrying out any maintenance tasks, ensure the appliance is turned off and allowed to fully cool down. Maintaining the eMotiv is really simple. The glass can be wiped with a clean damp cloth and buffed dry with a lint-free duster. To clean the oak log effects, you'll first need to remove the glass. To do this, simply attach the included suction cups and lift up and away from the fire. Take care when doing this. Place the glass to one side somewhere safe. This now allows you easy access to the fuel bed. The oak log effects can be cleaned by lightly dusting using a lint-free duster. To clean the air inlets, again you can use a lint-free duster. We recommend cleaning the air inlet and outlet grills regularly with a soft cloth or the nozzle of a vacuum cleaner to keep the eMotiv working at its best. To replace the batteries in the remote, simply slide off the back cover and replace using 2 high-quality alkaline batteries such as a Duracell Pro Cell. We recommend the batteries in the remote are replaced at least once a year. Now, if you've replaced the batteries and you're still having difficulty using the remote to control the fire, resetting and repairing the remote can solve most issues. First, ensure the on-off switch on the fire is in the on position. To reset the remote, first remove the back cover, then press and hold the reset button for 3 seconds. To pair the remote with the fire, press and hold the power button on the fire until 2 short beeps can be heard. Within 10 seconds, press the power button on the remote. you should hear one long beep from the fire to indicate pairing is complete. For more information on the app, there is a quick start guide available via our website. Now remember, to keep your appliance looking and performing at its best, it should be serviced annually. We recommend this service be undertaken by a suitably qualified individual, and your retailer can organise this for you. Alternatively, Gazco offer a manufacturer's premium service with our friendly team of qualified engineers, and this can be booked online. By registering your eMotiv online, you can keep up to date with useful technical updates and the latest product information that will help you gain even more enjoyment from your new fire. This also puts you in with a chance to win back the cost of your product. For a second chance to win, you can take a photo of your eMotiv installation and upload it online to our customer showcase area. We love to see our products transforming real homes, so remember to follow us on social media and tag us in any photos of your new fire. If you have the time, we would also love for you to leave us a review on Google or Trustpilot so that we can hear all about how you're getting on with your new Gazco fire. We hope this video has been helpful in giving you all the information you need to get you up and running with your fantastic new eMotiv electric fire.